Hi, my name is Anya and today we're going to make a Christmas tree out of cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add in 2 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined, then set aside. In a bowl, add in 85 grams of butter, 3 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 86 grams of sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix until well combined. Add your dry ingredients in 2 batches, mix until well combined. Add in 6 tablespoons of milk. Add in 2 tablespoons of water and mix until well combined. Add in your 3 egg whites, which have been whisked until they have formed stiff peaks. Spoon your batter into prepared cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes. I used my basic buttercream recipe, which I'll link, and I just added a few drops of green food coloring. I placed it into a piping bag and I piped spirals on top of the cupcakes. I laid the cupcakes out into the shape of a Christmas tree. I used the sesame seed bar as the stem of the Christmas tree. I melted some chocolate and I drew squiggles on top of the Christmas tree for the Christmas tree lights. I used red, green and brown Smarties and I placed them on the Christmas tree for Christmas lights. Enjoy a Christmas tree made out of cupcakes.